Good morning to everyone. I say good morning because it is morning for me, but it's probably not for everyone, not when you're watching this. But I'm leaving the home, heading out. Public holiday today, but so it looks like there's not another car on the road. Oh, and just as I say that, there goes one right there. So yeah, it's made a liar out of me. But anyway, I'm heading out. It's a real foggy day. There's another car. It's a real foggy day, and it's a little bit wet out there, I must admit, but it's not so bad that I won't be able to get all the jobs done that I need to get done. I think I've got about 7 people to go to today, so I'll be coming back in around 10 to 11 hours time, probably 11 hours time I reckon. Stick these little flowers off the pinwheels and move them, transplant them. There we are. I'm going to continue getting around there with them. Make the edge clear. This one. Little bit apart. Got a bit of room, they spread a bit far.
Don't push
Put everything around there, you have to weed them. Give a shot of it up. Spread them along there, weed it. Make a beautiful border there. And now I'm just going to weed the rest of this whole garden.
Don't push back!
Just stick the weed. And I'll finish it off. So what's the little birdie you're going missing? Yeah. Sits up there. Just lifting it up and thing on there. Restored it to restored it back to what it was like about 2 months ago.
You can shake it anyway.
Plus, now the whole edge has got those nice pinwheel succulents.
Well, you can shake it anyway.
Way better.
Oh.
Actually.
Well, you can shake it anyway.
Well, here we are. The rain's kicking in again. I managed to get a bit of work done there.
Well, you can shake it anyway.
Had to pull out halfway through one because the rain got too heavy. But now I'm moving on to the next place. And hopefully I can do weeding at the next place. I've got my coat and that. But if it gets any heavier than this, it's going to be pretty impossible to do anything. I've really got to mow the lawn at the next place too, which is going to be a little bit difficult. If the rain stops for a while at least, for say half an hour, I'll be able to mow the lawn and weed as well, but otherwise I could find myself just weeding or whippersnipping maybe. Maybe there's a bit of pressure cleaning to do. If I'm capable, I'll do some window cleaning, because you can always get under the veranda and under places like that. I always find something to do, so I just keep coming out in all weather. So it's starting to rain a little bit, but I'm managed to do everything. Now these are bluebells, so all you have to do with bluebells is when when the bluebell's gone to the seed like that, or deadhead, just pull it, pluck it clean out. Put them in the bucket. No problem. Just one other thing I thought I'd better mention is put them in seed first and the pluck with top, because they might drop off and start spreading again. Also I just take off all this yellow looking, it's very easy to pull out. Just leaves a really dark green. But just look, you just sort of grab it, it comes out so easy.
I wish I could give you
Just get it
up,
off the edge,
but you're my new favorite drug.
like that.
Enter into my blood.
The looks thing. It all dies down eventually anyway. I just pluck it off the edge.
Oh, you make me happy.
So I've got a full bucket.
You take
Arranging the top. I'm just working here. Found a dry bit. At least pull out the weeds under the colour. Found something to do. Just before it stops. Get out some see this weeds out. It's just not best condition out there. At least I'm still working. Not just standing around.
I wish I could give you up,
Look at this.
but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood. Run with my toxic love. Look how you make me happy. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. You take a hold of me. Look how you make me.
Probably make a good wig actually, but I'm not going to test it. No hold. Got me out of the rain for 10 minutes. A bit of a relief. What's that? Yeah. The birds must just up on that. I could hear him singing. Wow. can't really do that. I'd like to listen under the cover, but there's nothing else to do here. So, let's head out into the another 20 minutes in the rain. 20 more minutes in the rain, then hopefully it'll stop there. But trees. Oh, there's more bluebells there. Look at them bluebells there. Oh, and that's buttercup weed. Get that out too. Plenty to get out. Anyway, I'll keep working in the rain. And love every minute of it. Not really, but I'll try. So yes, it is raining, but I've been getting these bluebells out, not out, plucking them off the top, because they come out so easy when they're wet. Might as well get them out now. Just sort of pluck them clean off the top like that. They just come out so easy. Do it when it's easiest. That's the secret. And they're very hardy things. You don't have to leave the... Oh, there's a tree growing there. Just a self-seeded tree under there. Oh. Oh. Anyway, keep working. Yes, can't even turn her off. It's too wet to even scent. Well, I haven't mowed any lawns today, surprise, but I have pulled out a whole trailer load of weeds by hand. And I'm half wet, half dry. And I've still got to go do another one yet. So, and I know there'll be a lot of weeds to do. There's a lot of grass to mow there too, but I think getting the weeds out is going to be most important, especially when it's all wet. Bird's nests are really wet. Yeah, I'd say they're a little dirty. I'll just pretend I don't know you're there. Must be sitting on the little babies up. It's hard to see. It's really simple, that. Alright, now get these bluebells out. Just on the edge of the shelter. What a pain. I wish it went out a bit further.